In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add policies to your Shopify store for 2025. Whether you are setting up a new store or updating an existing one, having clear and comprehensive policies is essential for building trust with your customers and ensuring transparency. Let's dive into the process and make sure your store is ready to go. First, you need to navigate to your Shopify store's admin page. You can log in by going to your Shopify URL and entering your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your store's admin dashboard. This dashboard is your control center for everything related to your Shopify store, and today we're focusing on adding those important policies. Next, look for the Settings option in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Click on that, and it will take you to a page where you can manage the various settings for your store. Here, you'll see a list of options related to different aspects of your store's operations. So this is where a lot of the behind-the-scenes work happens. Once you're in the settings, locate and click on Policies. This section is tailored specifically for managing your store's legal documents. Policies are vital because they help manage customer expectations and protect your business. They typically include things like your refund policy, privacy policy, and terms of service. After selecting policies, you'll see an option labeled Written Policies. Click on this and it will direct you to a page where you can either create new policies from scratch or make adjustments to existing ones. Shopify often provides templates that you can use as a starting point. These templates are helpful if you're unsure of what language to use or what needs to be included. As you enter or modify the content of your policies, ensure they are clear and easily understandable. Avoid jargon or overly complex language to ensure your customers know exactly what to expect. Remember, your goal is to provide clarity and build trust. After you've reviewed and finalized the text for each policy, you would typically save these changes. It's wise to read through each document thoroughly, perhaps even have someone else review them, to make sure everything is covered and there are no ambiguities. With your policies set, your Shopify store is now equipped with the necessary legal documents to guide customer interactions and protect your business. Congratulations on taking this important step to professionalize your store. As always, it's good practice to periodically revisit these policies to ensure they remain relevant and up to date with any changes in laws or your business practices. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your Shopify store.